Right, it is here. So it's arrived, finally arrived. It's the DJI Avatar 360. So some of you may call it the Avata. I think you're wrong. I think it's the Avatar. It's, what's it called? A homonym or something. It's when a word is designed to sound like another word, but spelt differently. So it's clearly meant to be like an avatar. That's the idea. So Avata, I think I'm wrong. And when DJI first started advertising the Avatar 1, that's what they used to call it, the Avatar. Right, so unboxing, here we go. Ordered it about a month ago, but now DJI pace their release dates around the world, usually China first. We were a month behind this time. I don't know if they'll alter that. I got this from the DJI official UK retail store. So I ordered the package that came with the normal controller rather than the FPV style, because I've got all that anyway. And I ordered the spare batteries. So it's the Fly More kit, comes with 2 batteries, got a spare 3 batteries ready to rock. One of the beautiful features of this, quite cheaply, is that you can get replacement lenses. Since they sit, they're dome-shaped top and bottom, they're probably at high risk of getting scratched and damaged. I mean, really, you should be flying your drone carefully and not aiming to hit anything. Really, also, you should use the automated functions as little as you can. You should be in control of the drone yourself. Too many people, in my opinion, just hit return to home. It's a bad habit. You want to have eyes on your drone, have the skills to bring it back safely. You want to avoid trees. I read too many posts on Facebook where people are complaining that the drone hasn't avoided the branches, little twigs of a tree. You can't expect miracles. It does its best. It's down to you. Right, so here we go. Opening it up, all comes in its little carry case. I don't know how similar to other ones this is. There's also a barcode on it there to get the Fly More app. I've got a train I want to film. It's only, it's got one more trip in about an hour's time. I don't think I'm going to make it. I don't think I'm going to get this all set up, batteries charged in an hour, unfortunately. Unless the nice train drivers who I know will go on another little run just for me so I can film it. We will see. So opening the bag up. Dogs are scratching. If you hear a strange rumbling sound, it's the dogs digging. So it's quite a bit bigger than the Avatar 2 and the Avatar 1. I'll do reviews with them side by side later. Definitely a bigger drone. Broader. By a good, I don't know, good 6 centimeters, I'd say. So no battery in it there, so we don't know how heavy that is in comparison. So there's the, oh God, I lose track of all the different numbers of controllers. But if you want to use it with goggles and a FPV remote, I think it's the remote 3 for FPV3 remote, RC remote, and it is N3 goggles or the 3 goggles that work with it. I have both types of goggles. I have the N3's backup. The goggles 3 are a little bit fragile. The control button on the side is prone to breaking. So I always have a spare so I can get it up in the air. So it comes with a landing pad. It's very heavy, actually. Probably ditch that. And in here should be the charging block with 2 spare batteries. I have no idea whether it charges 2 batteries at once, which some of the... Oh, hang on, sorry, 3 batteries. So I've got 4. 3 batteries and an extra 4 in totes, which is a good number. That's pretty well it. There's some stuff in the little zip pocket down here. We got spare props, stickers. I'm 60 this year. I don't really need stickers, but they cater for all age groups. A little lens cloth, again, because it'll be prone to dirty fingers and things because it's prominent. And there's a little spanner tool, jobby, and anything else of any particular note. No, there we go. Little USB-C to USB-C cable that you tend to get. There you go. I've got to get it charged. I've got to get out of the house. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. I am very excited. I particularly love editing my videos, and this is more for people who want to edit something special rather than just download it straight and get it straight out there. It's all in the edit with this type of drone. Thanks for watching.
Oh my God.